Black bitches nowadays think they should get paid to be in a relationship. It's the black bitches. You gotta pay their bills. They want their bills paid. They want this paid. They want this paid. They want this paid. You gonna get you a sophisticated yellow bitch that came from a good family. She gonna say, I don't need your money. Dumb ass, I love you. I love you, little dumb bitch. I got my own money. I don't need your money. Go get your Mexican. Mexicans okay. They okay with just time, giving them time. But you gonna go with that black bitch, you gotta pay rent. Don't let them have kids. In school time, that's $500 to $1,000. You gotta buy all them kids shit, even including it. And don't let you be no nigga with a bunch of kids. You gotta buy your kids shit too.
So you don't gotta buy nothing for the white bitch kids?
Nah, white bitch go out and have everything together. White bitch always have everything together. Nah, it's the black bitches.